Hello guys, welcome to your channel GMAT by PW. So let's start this particular season of 2025 and today I Rahul Batla, I have alongside me Juhi Narula ma'am.
Hi everybody, welcome to the session. So ये सर जो पहला बैच होता है ना ईयर का, this is so full of excitement and
Absolutely.
enthusiasm, and we are super excited to launch this amazing batch which is going to help you in an amazing way to ace GMAT with flying colors. So welcome to the session, sir. So what are we having in our kitty today for our students?
मैम ऑलरेडी एक लॉन्च सेशन हम लोग ऑलरेडी इसका कर चुके हैं राइट द क्लासेस आर गोइंग टू गो लाइव वेरी सून सो दिस इज द ओरिएंटेशन सेशन एंड द फाइनल कॉल फॉर द स्टूडेंट्स जो अभी तक शायद इस चैनल तक नहीं पहुंच पाए हैं राइट सो दिस ईयर I will say simply that do not postpone your GMAT journey furthermore because we have got you covered and will make sure that जो भी hurdles आप अभी तक अपनी GMAT preparation में face कर रहे थे अब वो hurdles नहीं रहेंगे and you will sail smoothly with all the concepts and a great score. तो मैम चलते हैं and जानते हैं बैच के बारे में.
बिल्कुल.
So the batch name is GMAT Stiller. 2024 has already given us 100 percentile and I'm very sure 2025 will give as well, right? 785 has been the highest score and that is what we need to beat. Alright, so this batch ma'am right now is at the price of 12,999 instead of 25,999. Let's go ahead and talk about the batch details and what are the offerings that we bring it to you guys. So ma'am,
So the first feature that we talk about that we have adapted test. तो आप जैसा समझते होंगे कि GMAT is a computer adaptive test. So how you perform in the first question decides the difficulty level of the next question. So for us it is really important to align our preparation, align our mock test as per the expectation of GMAT और वो ही इसी particular batch का amazing feature है that we are going to give you the exact interface as you are going to get in GMAT so that you are prepared in a solid fashion and you have got 10 free adaptive mock tests in this particular package with explanations, with a good detailed score report so that you're absolutely sorted. You can analyze how far you have reached, how did you begin, what is the progression happening. So we have got you covered with this amazing feature. What is the next feature, sir?
So the next feature is related to your classes. The classes are going to be live and you don't have to worry of the timings even if you are a working professional or a college student because we'll reveal it very soon. The timings are very comfortable for each and everyone. Still, in the case you miss any particular class, you can watch the recording of that live class at n number of times at your own speed. So guys, don't worry. And the classes, the mode will be English. Of course, English तो रहेगा ही रहेगा जब आप VRC पढ़ेंगे. But कुछ explanations when it comes down to the quant, we will also use Hindi because we understand that our India Janta is more comfortable in Hindi when it comes to quantitative aptitude and DI.
Absolutely.
Next thing.
So when we talk about the next feature, we are going to cover all the segments, all the sections of GMAT in detail. And apart from this, we'll be offering you mentorship sessions. देखिए क्या होता है कि कई बार क्योंकि we are working professionals या we are college students, हमें बहुत सारी चीज़ों को जगल करना पड़ता है. तो कुछ queries होती हैं जो हमें बहुत trouble कर रही होती हैं and we want quick solutions because for us time is a major crunch. We have to utilize every bit of our time very effectively. So to help you there, we'll be having mentorship sessions also on Saturdays to boost your preparation, to help you overcome those general queries, concerns, some specific doubts. So those would be more personalized and that will be super helpful to overcome all the fears that are stopping your performance.
And of course, हम समझते हैं, we know that majority of the students they have left the studies from little long, right? आपका touch जो है वो छूट जाता है. So this is not a 30 hours package or a 40 or a 50 hours package like out there. This is a core intensive 80 hours live classes along with the free sessions which are there on YouTube, right? That is not counted in it at all. 80 hours live classes with the faculties, that my friend is really required when you're looking for those top-notch scores because of course you spend heavily even in just taking the test. All right, so we should be very comfortable with the test, we should be very comfortable with the concepts, and for that we need the time. So 80 hours of interactive video lectures with the faculties.
Absolutely. Now, as rightly said, and there's 80 hours of training, there will be 40 plus hours of classes, right? Jahan par you will be having 2 sessions weekly by Rahul sir, 2 sessions I'll be covering for verbal reasoning. It's really important to start right from the scratch, to put the efforts in the right direction, to manage both the concepts and test taking strategies.
Absolutely.
So for us, it is really important to align our preparation accordingly. At times, what do students do is they focus too much on the concepts and they stop themselves to, give the test. So that we would not recommend for that, and also to speed up the course to ensure that we are covering everything in time, because no other reason should pop up to
Absolutely.
stop your preparation, right? So that we are able to cover the holistic syllabus in a quick fashion yet effectively. We'll be having 4 sessions in a week and 40 plus live sessions, so that will be a complete power package. And if you are sincere, you're attending the classes regularly, in case you are missing some, you're watching the recordings, then the classes should be wholesome to definitely help you ace GMAT.
So that is the one aspect, right, for getting the great scores. But there is one more thing that you require, right? And that is the practice questions, guys, right? Yes, we'll do a lot of questions in the live classes, in the live sessions with the faculties. But one more thing is very important, and that is practice. So we do that in the form of daily practice problems, 1500 daily practice problems. Overall, you will get 1500. How it happens, I'll tell you. After every class, you get 30 questions, right? In the format of DPP. DPP stands for daily practice problems. So let us say we are covering today CR or percentage. You'll get 30 questions just after the class to practice with the detailed solutions. So, once you're done with the class, you can actually track your performance. You can understand how well you've understood this particular topic, and it also enhances or boost your confidence in that particular subject. So let's move on to the next feature, ma'am.
Absolutely. So apart from DPPs, if you give sectional tests, then you are again, enabling yourself with the test taking strategies. तो जैसे ही आप अपनी preparation begin करते हैं, every week whatever topics you are covering, those topics will be tested in a weekly test. So my suggestion would personally be very sincere in taking the sectional test, क्योंकि हम कई बार इसको बहुत simple मान के escape कर देते हैं.
Absolutely.
But ये छोटे छोटे टेस्ट आपके लिए एक strong foundation का काम करेंगे, that will actually prepare you for the actual mocks, right? So be very consistent in appearing for sectionals. You get a lot of additional practice, and we have scheduled it on the weekends only, so that you are free, you are relatively in a calm state, and you can find that particular time where you can
Absolutely.
appear with the test and follow it with effective analysis. So analysis is something which I would really like to underline, because a solid analysis is really important to improve. Because we talk about competitive exams, there you have to pay attention to the little details, because they can otherwise become a deal breaker, and that we wouldn't want. So to help you ace your preparation, we'll be having weekly practice test with analysis. So that's amazing feature of this particular program that we are offering to you.
And the most important part of it is the flexibility. As we know, the GMAT test is also very flexible. You book your own appointment. Similarly, you book your own appointment for your these weekly tests. It is nothing like that कि अगर ये X weekend को आया है तो आप इसको Y weekend पे नहीं दे सकते. Right? It will be there in your system. You just need to attempt it as per you plan. Finally, let's move to the doubt support. We have 24/7. Now, how do you ask these doubts? One, for sure, we have the Telegram groups where the faculties are also there. The other, let us say once the class is over, you get the annotated notes of that lecture by the faculty. अब जब आप उस रिकॉर्डिंग को देखते हो तो आप पर्टिकुलर स्लाइड पे जाके ऐप पे ही अपना डाउट रेज कर सकते हो, एंड आवर सब्जेक्ट मैटर एक्सपर्ट टीम रीचेस आउट टू यू एंड क्लैरिफाई दैट डाउट विद इन द ऐप इटसेल्फ, and we try to solve it as quickly as possible. All right, so within majority of the times, within 24 hours, you get the answer to all your queries. You just need to go to that particular slide and raise your questions once the class is over in the recording section of that particular class. So that was about the features that we cover, right from the live classes, interactive, where you can also chat with the teacher, to the daily practice problems, to the notes, and to the practice test which we are offering you, and at final game you have the adaptive mock test as well based on GMAT focus. So let's quickly go ahead
and explore the faculties that are going to teach you.
Absolutely.
Right? So the first faculty, you know him, the OG, right? The champion of quant, the wizard of mathematics, the person who's very passionate about teaching. And of course, you can see the amazing credentials, but more than that, the heart and soul he puts in, the commitment he shows, the way he's going to handhold you will be absolutely magical. That's my Promise, I usually don't make such big claims, but here I'm making an extreme statement, and I'm super sure that you're going to experience the magic in his sessions. So, Rahul sir, अब मैंने इतनी भूमिका बांध दी है, he is none other than your favorite Rahul Bhatla sir, who will be dealing with all the nuances of quant and sessions of data insights. I'll also pitch in for the verbal ability part, where he'll be teaching you everything right from the scratch, and you would not know how seamlessly he would take you to the actual difficult questions, and the sessions are going to be super super fun. So,
So-
what should I add?
Nothing more, ma'am. Thank you for such a mesmerizing and fascinating introduction. I guess this is the best. मैं इसका reel निकलवा के definitely use करूँगा later
And
on.
I'm sure he'll do justice. You will thoroughly
But yes.
enjoy his sessions, right? So, that's a promise.
अब तो करना भी पड़ेगा, right? मैम की बात भी रखनी है. But yes, that was about me, and I'll be taking care of your quant and the DI section, the data insight section that is related to the quant, namely your graphical, your data
Scattered
sufficiency
plots.
wala area, all right, and a little bit part of two-part analysis and multi-source reasoning as well related to the quant wala part. Baki graphical interpretation, I'll take care of that completely, right? So you don't have to take care or worry about anything.
You are in
right?
safe hands. You are in
Correct.
safe hands, right?
So
That's a promise.
that was about quant, but we know GMAT में जो सबसे ज्यादा चीज लोगों को दिक्कत देती है, लोगों को डर लगता है जिससे, वो होता है VA वाला पार्ट, राइट? बट आई गेस वो डर जो है वो फेड अवे होने वाला, बिकॉज वी हैव यू नो a smiling faculty which makes you smile once you are done with your VRC concepts and once you are done with those questions, because now VRC is not going to add वो शिकस्त नहीं डालने वाला वो आपके माथे पे, वो हेडेक नहीं देने वाला. Now you will be smiling and cracking VRC in a quick go because you have Juhi Narula ma'am with you. She has been teaching from the past 14 years for not just GMAT but also for CAT and other management entrance examinations. And you don't have to worry even if you struggle with the basic reading, because she will again pick you from the very basics and lead you to a version of yourself which you have never imagined, and आप बहुत ही easily ace कर पाओगे even those long dreading passages जो आपको देख के डर लगता है ना, अब आप उनको बोलोगे कि आ जाओ, तुम्हें भी हम लोग देख लेंगे, because she will take care of each and everything along with the RC, the critical reasoning, and also the DI, specifically the two-part reasoning and multi-source reasoning part, जो आपका of course related to V है. तो you don't have to worry. You are in safe hands. I would again say at the same line,
Right.
and you're gonna love the lectures as well as her technologies or her approach towards the VA and RC part. All right.
Absolutely. So I think sir has already said enough. Thank you so much. So we will start right from the scratch. और अगर आपको ऐसा फील होता है कि यू आर वेरी गुड विद क्वांटिटेटिव पार्ट एंड डेटा इनसाइट्स, तो ये एक एडेड एडवांटेज है, बिकॉज एसेंशियली जीमैट इज अ टेस्ट ऑफ लॉजिक.
Absolutely.
So it is just that since we are not exposed to the language much, we are not exposed to the subject much, right? Basic mathematics तो आप हर जगह कर रहे हो, तो आप कार भी ड्राइव कर रहे हो तो कहीं ना कहीं आप टाइम स्पीड एंड डिस्टेंस का कॉन्सेप्ट अप्लाई कर रहे हो, राइट? पर हम कई बार वर्बल रीजनिंग को उस एस्पेक्ट से देख ही नहीं पाते या रिलेट नहीं कर पाते. तो द मोमेंट यू विल बी एबल टू at least attend first 5-6 sessions, you will be absolutely in rhythm, you will be in momentum, and we'll be working right from the scratch, working on how to read the passage, what are the types of questions that GMAT intends to test, how do we eliminate the incorrect answer choices. We'll go to specific question types. Again, in CR we'll be dissecting the argument, we'll understand what are the fundamentals. So we'll be having a very grounded approach so that your concepts are strengthened, and once your concepts are sorted, once you know the approach, then GMAT VA should definitely be doable for you in the exams.
So I guess now nothing to fear. Now we have already known that how we are going to plan. It's going to be a great lectures, great pedagogy. Let's move ahead and I guess talk about the schedule now, the timings of the class. जिसके लिए मैं आपको कहता हूँ, you don't have to worry, we've got you covered. So timings are going to be 8 to 10 p.m. right? So right after your office or after your college if you're a college student. Monday and Tuesday I'll be taking your lectures. Wednesday and Friday Juhi ma'am will be taking your lectures. Now they can be quant and DI. You'll have to check the schedule on the basis of that, and these two also can be VRC and DI. All right. Sometimes we'll do 2 quant, sometimes we'll do 1 quant and 1 DI. Sometimes ma'am will do 2 VRC class or sometimes 1 VA and 1 DI, and we'll take care of all the 3 modules. And Saturdays are not going to be any more boring now, because Saturdays we are going to have some mentorship so that we can utilize all those words and underline all those strategies before आवर एक्चुअल वीकली टेस्ट। तो यहाँ पे सीखेंगे, संडे को जाके लगाएंगे, राइट। एंड ऑफ कोर्स दीज मेंटरशिप सेशंस आर नॉट 8 to 10, दे आर 12 to 1। आपका दिन में खत्म करके यू कैन यूटिलाइज योर एंटायर डे फॉर प्रैक्टिस। These sessions will be from 8 to 10, sometimes we'll be extending as well. You can just stay in your environment, chill down, just sit and we'll learn, right?
और अगर आप देखेंगे वेरी मेटिकुलसली पुट आवर ब्रेन्स इन डिजाइनिंग द टाइम टेबल कि अगर आपने मंडे ट्यूसडे वेडनेसडे में कोई सेशन मिस कर दिया, क्योंकि वो दोज आर डिफिकल्ट डेज ऑफ द वीक इफ यू आर अ वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल, सो वी हैव गिवन यू थर्सडे टू कवर दैट, राइट। सो दैट हैज बीन स्ट्रैटेजिकली डन दैट यू गेट अ कूल ऑफ डे। कई बार 3 दिन पढ़ के भी ओवरवेलमिंग हो जाता है। सैटरडे लाइक वी सेड वी हैव केप्ट द मेंटरशिप सेशंस कि अगर कोई डाउट है, कोई क्वेरी है, इट कैन बी वेरी सिंपल बट फॉर अस एवरी डाउट इज इंपॉर्टेंट, राइट। सो वी वुड बी केटरिंग एंड देन संडेज यू कैन यूटिलाइज टू गिव योर सेक्शनल टेस्ट। तो वीकेंड्स ईजी रखे सो दैट यू कैन डू योर ओन प्रिपरेशन। अदरवाइज आप देखोगे कि वीकेंड्स पे यूजुअली स्ट्रेस रहता है, तो बच्चे क्लासेज ही अटेंड करते रह जाते हैं और सेल्फ स्टडी का टाइम नहीं मिलता। तो उसी को अचीव करने के लिए कि आप अच्छे से अपना इनपुट दे पाए, क्योंकि तब आपके पास ऑफिस का स्ट्रेस नहीं है, कॉलेज भी यूजुअली सैटरडे संडेज को ऑफ रहता है, तो आप इजीली अपनी प्रिपरेशन को बैलेंस कर पाएंगे, राइट। सो दैट्स द
मेरे ख्याल से वेडनेसडे को अगर इवन द इफ द बैकलॉग्स ऑफ द क्लासेस आर क्लियर, यहाँ पे डीपीपीस आ जाएंगे, प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चंस होंगे, मान लेते हैं कुछ रह गए तो आप यहाँ पे आके उनको यूटिलाइज करके यू कैन कम बैक टू द बैच, ताकि कोई भी किसी भी तरीके का बैकलॉग ना रह जाए, इधर इन टर्म्स ऑफ योर लेक्चर्स और इन टर्म्स ऑफ योर DPP questions, right? So let's go ahead and explore the batch, but before that we have a special offer for you, and that is rupees 1000 off for a particular time. So of course now you can do a basic math and calculate the batch price, but that is of course for a time being early bird discount. तो मैम चलें फिर बैच कैसे दिखता है?
बिल्कुल absolutely sir, let's explore. So
now it is at 11,999, doing the math for you. Now let's go ahead and let's explore the batch features. So guys, once you go on, there is a search tab. search पे आप क्लिक करते हो तो यहाँ पे आप GMAT Stellar 2024 लिखोगे, आपको बैच खुल जाएगा। You'll have to click on buy now. Once you purchase the batch, तो यहाँ पर explore का बटन आ जाता है। Once you click the explore बटन, अच्छा ये कहाँ पे जाना है? pw.live पे, ठीक है, pw.live ऐप पे, यहीं पे साइड में आपको एक इंडेक्स टैब, वहाँ पे सर्च, टाइप इन द नेम ऑफ बैचेस, बाय नाउ। वंस यू बाय, इट टर्न्स इनटू एक्सप्लोर बटन। एक्सप्लोर पे दबाते ही आपको ऐसा विंडो दिखता है। हियर यू विल हैव द हेडिंग्स, डिस्क्रिप्शन, बैच की स्टार्टिंग डेट कब है, वैलिडिटी कब है, क्या क्या चीजें जो भी हमने आपको अभी बताई हैं, सारी चीजें आपको मिलती हैं। एंड देन देयर इज अ टैब ऑफ ऑल क्लासेस। वंस यू क्लिक इट, आपके पास ऑल क्लासेस में डेमो वीडियोस और साथ साथ आपको सारे स्केड्यूल दिखने लगते हैं आपके, राइट। आप वीआरसी का स्केड्यूल, क्वांट का स्केड्यूल, डेटा इंसाइट का स्केड्यूल, ये सब देख सकते हो। एक एक टैब को हाईलाइट करके दिखाया है, अगर विंडो खोलते हो थोड़े छोटे हो जाते, राइट। तो आप एक्सप्लोर करेंगे, इजीली मिलेगा। Once you go to all content, you have lectures, notes, DPPs, DPP PDF फॉर्मेट में, and your annotated notes. So ये वो नोट्स है बेटा जो क्लास के बाद आपको मिलते हैं। लेक्चर्स में all the recordings will come into picture, ठीक है। बाकी आप एक्सप्लोर करोगे, आपको बहुत इजीली सब पता चलता रहेगा। अनाउंसमेंट वाले सेक्शन में, ये ऑल क्लासेस हो गए, अनाउंसमेंट वाले सेक्शन में यू विल गेट टू सी ऑल दी अनाउंसमेंट्स। कभी कोई एक्स्ट्रा क्लास लगती है या फिर कभी कोई टेस्ट आने वाला होता है, मेंटरशिप सेशंस अगर आपके दिमाग से मिस हो जाए तो यहाँ पर नोटिसेस आते रहते हैं, एंड यू कैन कीप वॉचिंग कि क्या होने वाला है। मूविंग अहेड, you can always go ahead and see your teachers, write the experience and their scores and everything, right? That is how a DPP look like, मैम। इस तरीके से आपको DPPs दिखेंगे। आप PDF फॉर्म में प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं और क्विज फॉर्मेट में प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं, राइट। एंड फाइनली जो मैं आपको बोल रहा था कि आप आस्क कर सकते हैं कोई भी डाउट। जब आप रिकॉर्डिंग पे जाते हैं, यहाँ आपकी रिकॉर्डिंग चलती है, बगल में सारी स्लाइड आ जाती है। लेटेस्ट आपको इस स्लाइड पे डाउट पूछना है, आप इस स्लाइड पे आएंगे और यहाँ पर आस्क का डाउट आप कर देंगे। डाउट पे क्लिक करेंगे, आपको आपके डाउट्स आते रहेंगे। कमेंट्स में आप अपने आंसर्स भी देख सकते हैं, राइट। एंड आई गेस दैट इज इट, राइट। बैच को इंटरेक्टिव बनाने के लिए मैम पोलिंग फीचर, राइट। तो जब आप क्लास में होते हैं तो टीचर ने कॉन्सेप्ट समझाया, वो क्वेश्चन देके आप चैट पे ABCD लिखेंगे, मजा नहीं आता है। हम आपको पोल देते हैं, आप मार्क कर सकते हैं कि B है, D है, E है, राइट। एंड वी ऑल्सो गेट टू सी कि भाई क्लास कैसा परफॉर्म कर रहा है। आपको भी पता चल रहा है कि भाई 70% बच्चे सही कर रहे हैं, आप भी उसमें से हैं कि नहीं। इवन इट ऑल्सो टेल्स यू कि आपने कितना टाइम लिया है क्वेश्चन करने में और एक क्लास एवरेज कितना टाइम ले रही है। सो यू ऑलवेज गेट a
competitive feeling, yes, yes, so you get that competitive advantage, edge या understanding build हो जाती है। So that's again
मोटिवेशन भी रहता है, राइट। टॉप 10 टॉप 20 में आने का, करेक्ट। एंड सो यू कैन ऑल्सो रेट अस वंस द लेक्चर इज ओवर, राइट। आप बता सकते हैं आपको कैसा लगा, एंड ऑल्सो यू कैन रेज इफ देयर इज सम प्रॉब्लम गोइंग इन विद योर ऐप, राइट। और अगर कोई भी टेक्निकल रिलेटेड इशू आपके पास आता है तो आप जाके हमसे चैट भी कर सकते हैं एंड द टीम विल रीच आउट टू यू। ऑलराइट,
Absolutely,
सो
absolutely.
आई गेस दैट्स इट। बाकी आपको थोड़ा सा ऐप पे जाना पड़ेगा और देखना पड़ेगा, ये सारी चीजें आपके स्क्रीनशॉट्स लगा दिए गए हैं, आप भी खुद से जब ऐप खोल के देखोगे तो और क्लियरिटी आएगी, राइट?
And you are smart enough, you the moment you're going to explore the batch you'll get entire clarity, right? ये अभी आपको
Absolutely.
हो सकता है थोड़ा टेक्निकल लग रहा हो,
Correct.
but it's very interactive interface, it's very friendly, so you'll discover a lot of amazing features there. So we are very excited to see you in the classes, so don't keep any barrier, any limitation. If you have
Absolutely.
made your mind, just jump into the preparation so that you can get your score and then have a great future ahead.
So waiting to see you all guys, and we'll start very soon, right? In the week of I'll say the first week of Feb, we are beginning with the classes. So
Right.
now it's not the time to delay it further.
Right.
Let's go and crack the GMAT, and जो भी वो चीज़ें जो पुराने टाइम से चलते आ रही थी यार, देना है नहीं देना है, देना है नहीं देना है, और स्टार्ट नहीं कर रहे थे, 2025 let it be the year when we go ahead and crack GMAT. Cheers
Absolutely.
and all the best.